Hi there, I'm Sally, and I want to talk to you about COVID and your immune system. So let's first of all think about how horrific COVID is on your immune system, okay? Like all guns are blazing. And when you have COVID, your immune system is working full force to protect you, okay? Now, when that happens, other things get neglected, right? So if all of the army is over here on this one battle and there's other little battles cooking around you, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get other problems. So sometimes what happens with COVID is you get other infections. Let's say you had been like keeping some parasitic infections at bay. Now you got COVID, and guess what? They get a leg up. Yeast gets a leg up. All these other kind of secondary infections get a leg up. And I want to talk to you about an interesting study. There's a doctor, her name is Dr. Rives, and she is a pathologist at the University of Kentucky. She did a fascinating piece, but basically she had taken some tissue sample from a patient. Now this has nothing to do with COVID, but I just want to show you how the immune system, it kind of shows you about the immune system, all right? So she found this patient had an upper endoscopy, and they took a biopsy and sent it to her. And in the actual tissue, she found parasites, like in the tissue, and she theorized that this poor patient had been immunocompromised and had been given some steroids, and that the parasites proliferated because it was such a horrible infection that she found that they proliferated. So if you now let's just that person did not have COVID, but we know that COVID weakens your immune system, right? So could it not, in theory, cause you to have a plethora of other infections? Like, it just stands to reason to me. And that is why I think that when people have COVID or they have long haulers COVID, you see crazy symptoms, right? I mean, I've seen people that literally are like that, catatonic, can't even eat, can't even swallow. You know, I've seen people who can't stand up straight, you know, I mean, the symptoms go all over the place. Well, we're different. We're individuals, and we are all fighting different things. And when you weaken our immune system, different things get a leg up. You have different overgrowths, and then you're going to see a plethora of problems. So I just wanted to kind of get you thinking in that way.